There's nothing worse than seeing cracks develop in your home. Doesn't matter whether it's in the internal walls in the plasterwork or externally in the brickwork. Cracking in the home can create an element of uncertainty and worry for the homeowner, and maybe an indication there's some expensive repairs coming up. Well, the reality is that some cracks are fairly normal in most homes, and they vary depending on the season. Small cracks in brick homes can open up during the summer when it's dry, and they can close up when the soil gets wet in the winter. But other cracks in homes could be an early sign of structural subsidence that will be very expensive to fix unless it's dealt with early on. Even some new homes Archicentre's architects are seeing in Australia's outer suburbs are developing cracks when they're only 2, 3, 5 years old these days. Now, the causes of cracking come into two main areas. In brick and brick veneer homes, it's generally due to changes in the soil condition. In the summer, soil dries out and shrinks. In the winter, the soil gets wetter and it expands, and the house moves up and down accordingly, and the cracks may open up and close. Generally, that's not too serious a problem unless the cracks get wider than about 3 millimetres and something may be needed to be done. In timber homes, weatherboard homes, the most common cause of cracking is when the timber piers or the stumps rot out, and then generally they need to be replaced. And that also can be a very expensive process requiring complete replacement of the house's stumps or piers throughout. But whatever the cause of the cracking, it's really important to get it checked to make sure that it's not something that's going to deteriorate very quickly and develop into a very expensive problem. Archicentre has trained architects right throughout the country who can come and look at a problem that you've got, such as cracking, tell you what the cause of it is, how serious it is, and most importantly, give you independent advice on what you need to do about it. Now, these are independent people. They've got no vested interest in talking into solutions or cures. They're going to tell you how it is, what needs to be done, what the sort of cost should be to actually repair that work, and how soon it needs to be done as well. It's simply a matter of calling Archicentre on the 1300 toll-free line. One of our customer service staff will take down your details, talk to you about what the problem is, and then arrange for someone to come out and see you.